Hi everyone, my name is Roberto Carracedo and today I'm going to show you how I built my prototype. So as we can see here, we have an Arduino UNO R3 board, a breadboard here, a potentiometer, a temperature sensor, 5 2020 resistors, 4 LEDs, blue, green, yellow and red, an LCD display screen, and a buzzer. First of all, I would like to talk about the potentiometer, because as you can see here, we are not able to see any messages here because the potentiometer is setting the values of the contrast of the screen. So if we turn the potentiometer, we can see here the message that previously we code on Arduino. If we touch the temperature sensor, the values of the temperature are going to increase, and the LCD screen is going to show us that temperature on Celsius degrees. Also, we will be able to see how the LEDs are going to bright to light in this order: blue, green, yellow and red, being the blue light the coldest one. The baseline temperature is set on 23 Celsius degrees. That's why we can't hear any sounds, and that's why the blue LED is brightening. Finally, I'm going to put my fingers on the temperature sensor and we are going to see what happened. We are between 23 and 25 degrees, that's why the green light is on. And if we increase the temperature between 25 and 27 degrees, the yellow light, that's why the yellow light is brightening. Finally, if we reach the 27 degrees, we are going to see how the red light brights. That's it. When we remove our fingers, we can see on the LCD screen how the temperature drops. So that's all. Hope you find useful this video. Hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much. Bye.